Burger King is throwing its hat in the taco ring to give people something to taco about. The burger chain is releasing the $1 crispy taco, which features beef, lettuce, shredded cheese, and taco sauce, all wrapped in a crunchy tortilla. And with it only being $1, the company said it can be added to any meal. So I guess I could munch on a Whopper and a taco? Yes, this taco costs $1, but the fine print also says if you live in Alaska or Hawaii, the price will be higher. Burger King's president of North America said in a release, "We've seen the success with tacos in our West Coast restaurants and knew it was time to bring this West Coast favorite nationwide. And while the love of tacos might be eternal, this menu item is only here for a limited time, so you better hurry." Maybe this might make Taco Bell introduce a burrito burger. Well, I'll keep dreaming.